Proposing property tax cuts for affordability is a simplistic narrative, and it doesn't adequately address the complexities of poverty or the affordability challenges Calgarians face. Last week, I posted a video talking about the income disparity in Ward 11 to show that I am working to serve all 115,000 residents across that income spectrum and through various actions and various policies. Many of the comments back were that increasing property taxes were a cause of affordability issue or a leading cause of affordability issues. So while property taxes can affect the bottom lines for many people, the majority of people near or in poverty are renters. In the past year, we've seen an increase in rental vacancy and a much less drastic rise in rent increases, even with property tax increases. And this is because enough members of council were committed to adding both units in the market and the affordable housing market. Up to 1/3 of Calgarians will never be in a position to own their own home, and that number is climbing higher every year with a widening gap between home prices and wages. The nonprofit housing sector is working together with the city to house Calgarians. Vibrant Communities Calgary and the Enough for All strategy are constantly advocating for poverty reduction, from food security to living wages to affordable housing. Poverty is complex and the solutions must meet the real challenges. As a city, we have programs that are far more impactful for those near or experiencing poverty, especially for those who are on fixed incomes, seniors, and persons with disabilities. The Fair Entry program serves residents, offering deep discounts on transit and recreation, and is a sliding scale based on income. We have a food resiliency program that connects Calgarians to local food and food resources. We have dedicated seniors programming outside of transit and recreation. We have a first and last month's rent program. The city has community social workers that work in equity-deserving neighborhoods to support social activities, volunteerism, skill-building programs for residents across all ages. Ward 11 has community social workers in Acadia, Kingsland, and Southwood. A great example of this in action is the Austin and Victor Tennis Center, partnering with community social workers to offer free tennis programming to equity-deserving youth. When making budget decisions, it's important for me to understand who stands to lose the most when we make cuts. And lately, those cuts have been aimed at the lowest income Calgarians and the programs which support them. If we want to prevent further homelessness and further poverty and keep our streets safe, we need to ensure that we are funding the programs that keep people in their homes, build new affordable homes, and ensure Calgarians can afford transit and have the mental health supports that they need. As always, my goal has been to keep property tax increases as low as possible, while at the same time meeting the needs of Calgarians of various economic means to ensure a thriving, safe, and welcoming city.